Bridget Danner, your host of the DIY Detox Summit. I created the summit for you if you're concerned about the abundance of toxins in the environment and would love expert advice on making the best non-toxic choices. This summit is also for you if you're working on clearing toxins from your body. There are many safe and natural ways to detox, from sauna to supplements to dietary changes and movement. I also created this summit for me because I'm passionate about protecting the planet, and it all starts with our own choices. Believe it or not, I've been an environmental activist since I was a little girl. I was a member of Greenpeace and was writing cosmetics companies before I could even drive. I've always wanted environmental awareness to be part of my natural medicine practice, but it never really materialized until a few years ago. Back then, I got very sick and finally discovered that the source was toxic mold in my home. My symptoms included insomnia, muscle twitching, poor memory, and even suicidal thoughts. My family and I started on a very stressful and expensive healing path. I was already an acupuncturist and a functional health coach, but I was not aware of the complex world of detoxification. We tried different doctors and tests, but ultimately found we had to lead our own health journey, and I think that's true for each and every one of us. Maintaining health in a toxic world is challenging. So it's our responsibility to get educated on toxins and practice daily detox. Our summit experts include topics like heavy metals, EMF, toxic mold, air quality, water quality, food quality, parasites, fermented foods, probiotics, and much more. Whether you're a practitioner or the detox warrior in your own home, you'll learn a lot on this summit. So be sure to sign up on this page and share this event with the people you love. Your health education is not complete without learning about toxins.